How about this one, Will? Since we're on TMZ for a bit here, how about an eagle hunting down a seagull? I don't know if you signed up for that today.
No, but I'm intrigued.
Yeah, well, an eagle is a bird with talons and a sharp beak. It's a predator. And I think an eagle could probably pick up Otis over there.
Eagle? Yeah, for sure.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, their wingspan is
You
intense.
ever worry about that? You're out at the park. You ever look up?
We don't have any crazy.
Otis just running along. Dude, in my neighborhood, I've seen.
Yeah, you got some?
Oh, baby. Mostly hawks. But I've also seen a lot of those turkey vultures. You ever seen these around here?
What are they again?
Dude, it is a big bird. And for some reason, well, not for some reason. I mean, they're not afraid. I was going to say for some reason they're not afraid of me. But what reason they had to be afraid? I'm not going to, what am I going to do, chase it down? How scary is that? Now, this mostly eats the roadkill.
Right.
So it's not really a threat in that way. But it is a big bird. And you will catch it every so often around here. Well, you will catch real turkeys too, never mind turkey vultures. Yeah, give us a size on that. Yeah, it's a pretty big bird. There's a human. There's a turkey vulture.
Up to your thigh?
Yeah, something like that. It looks robust too. And it's got the what would you call it? It's about a bald head.
Yeah.
A red. Oof.
Yeah, it looks very haunting.
Exactly. Anyway, so in this case, it's an eagle versus a seagull. And it's on a golf course.
Okay.
And of course, since you're an avid golf player, an eagle is a great thing in golf.
Yes, it is.
But an actual eagle is not something you typically expect to see on a golf course. So the last time I saw a bald eagle like that, I was in Alaska. I told this story already. But I don't know. Can you play a bit of the clip? You can play a bit of the clip. So the eagle is chasing the seagull a little bit. The seagull's just getting tired. The seagull's like, damn, I think I'm dead. And the eagle's like, yeah, you are.
Yeah, matter of fact.
The eagle's like, yeah, this is fine. Boom, done. Of course, the golfers stop playing golf. You see this stuff going on. I think we got the point. I mean, you're just going to see it sort of rip its head off now.
Oh, so it wasn't a battle?
Did I pitch it? No. A seagull doesn't stand a chance. What's a seagull going to do?
Oh.
The seagull didn't have those talons going on.
I thought his buddies were going to
come. Look at this. This was actually in Vancouver. Look at that.
Oh.
Canadian story.
The seagulls, they flock with like a crew, don't they?
Yeah, the crew's not bagging you up. Even the eagle shows up.
Yeah.
Well, I've always been obsessed with the big bird, little bird thing. When I see little birds chasing a hawk in my neighborhood or whatever, I'm always mesmerized. Like, why is the hawk seemingly running away from the little bird? And the hawk won't bother to chase the little bird. They're too nimble or something. I don't know what it is, but the seagull, they're like, yeah, I got you.
Yeah.
You're done.
Yeah.
So anyway, you can scroll down. There's a couple of other images, maybe one other key image there you can see complete dominance. Incredible animal, incredible bird. I wouldn't want to mess with one.
No.
And Otis would definitely not want to mess with one.
No.
Tell you that right now. All right, Will, it's a question for you.
No. I was about to close it.
Oh,
okay.
Yeah, okay, go ahead.
All right.
I had one more.